DJI Action 2 Tutorials. Time-lapse. DJI Action 2 supports hyperlapse mode and time-lapse mode. Power on the DJI Action 2 camera unit, then swipe left or right from the center of the screen and select the time-lapse mode. Swipe up to enter the time-lapse parameter settings menu. You can select hyperlapse or time-lapse mode. Let's take the time-lapse mode as an example. Enter the settings menu and you'll find different scenario options. Each scene is preset with a corresponding duration and interval. Tap the icon in the upper right corner to adjust the resolution. You can also select Custom to set the interval and duration. Return to the home screen, and the upper left corner will display the total video length and predicted time of the video generation. Tap the Power/Record button and start shooting a time-lapse video after the countdown ends. When the shooting is completed, you can tap the playback icon on the left edge of the screen to preview the footage.
Featuring dual 1-inch sensors for unparalleled image quality. A camera to elevate your videos to the next level. A stunning 6K 360 that shoots 21 megapixel photos with immense clarity and in breathtaking HDR. Because whether you're exploring in bright light or low light, every detail counts. The invisible selfie stick disappears like magic, revealing amazing third-person views. With 360 reframing, every angle is at your fingertips. And with industry-leading image stabilization, the journey has never been so smooth. A comprehensive tool for content creation on the go. And water-resistant for epic adventures. One RS 1-inch 360 takes you places you never thought you'd go. Only you can define what's possible.